So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So today topic we are going to see about the current feelings and channel or message of your person. Okay, so we are going to check for the water element, Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. So let's see about like how your person is feeling about you currently, how they are feeling, and as well as we can check their channel or message as well. So if at all you guys are seeing my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. So guys, please give your support. Please give your support. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Okay, let's start the reading now. So if at all you guys or be like any kind of a water element like a Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio, you can check this reading. So this reading is mainly for the water element, so for the only for the Pisces, Cancer, and the Scorpio. Okay, I think your person is thinking about you a lot. You can see there is a lot of messages I can get. I'm just getting okay, but I want to take one by one, so I'm not taking that whole messages. Yeah, this person is thinking about you a lot in their head. Again, the cards are I can't able to shuffle. Okay, the bottom of the messages we get, it is a dark, it is a dark without you, it is a dark without you. Yeah, somehow this person is missing you, I think so. So that is a lot in their head. This person is not trying to be say that in a friend, but they are thinking about you a lot. That's what I can feel, because again and again there is a like lot of cards I'm getting from this person's side. So I think maybe you guys will be like an on off situations, or could be like a no contact situation, because overall I can see that this person wants to say you a lot, but they are not be saying the truth. What they're hiding something from you, maybe their feelings or something like that. You are so different from everyone around me. So let's see what their current feelings towards you. Seems like this person heart is feeling very heavy. I can't stop thinking about you. What I just said. So yeah, this person is thinking about you a lot. I not even see the card, but I have whatever I have been feel earlier I have been said. So this is again the confirmation from the spirit that from the divine we can see that I can stop thinking about you. Yeah, this is again the confirmation from your person, and they are thinking about you a lot. Why can't I tell you the truth? Oh my god, this is again the spot on. So this person is feeling something heavily. Okay, so this person wants to confess their actual feelings towards you. Yeah, maybe they are preparing themselves. Okay, sex with you. Okay, maybe if at all you guys in like some kind of a closer relationship, so this person is missing those moments. And they want to be create those moments again with you. Okay, yeah, somehow this person is craving for your love, your relationship, and for the closeness. I can't make you happy. Okay, so this person is feeling that according to this right now situation, they are feeling that they can't able to make you happy because they are not saying you the truth, like what they actually feeling for. I can't take it anymore. So that's the reason this person will try to open up. This person will try to communicate. It is a dark without you, without you. Okay, so that's the reason this person is feeling somehow very heavy in their chest. So because they want to say you some kind of a truth behind it, like actually what they are feeling for and what they are craving for, and like what they are thinking about you. Okay, so there may be some kind of an text messages or call from this person that can surprise you at any moment. Okay, so this person will try to open up. There may be, if at all you guys are looking for any kind of a reconciliation, there may be some kind of a chances that your person will do some kind of a reconciliation, because their energy is be like a reconciliation energy, because they are thinking about you a lot. I don't know what you have been done before. Right now they are feeling very much, they are thinking about you a lot, and as well as they will try to speak some kind of a truth, what they hold for you in their heart. Okay, there may be some kind of a chances that this person will try to express those feelings what they are holding on from a long time. because they are feeling very much cold without you. They are feeling very much dark and cold without you. They are feeling that maybe you bring a light in their life. Okay, so if at all they are feeling that they are understanding about this relationship, they maybe think that if at all you may be in their life, they maybe feel a little bit of light, they maybe feel a little bit of courageous. Okay, so let's see about your person channel or messages, like what their messages are. Yeah, so the messages: you make me feel I have never felt before. I kept the text. Okay, the bottom of the deck we get I kept the text. Maybe if at all you guys have some kind of a good conversation, I think they may be seeing those text messages again and again. They may be see your conversation again and again. The first messages I have, like, I hope I haven't lost you. Okay, so if at all it's be like a no contact situation, I have already said you, if at all it's be like a no contact situation, there may be heavy chances that this person will try to communicate with you, this person will try to open up, and this person will try to say the truth, like how they are feeling, how they are craving for you. Nothing else matters but you. Okay, again this is a confirmation, like yeah. And the last message we get, like, I'm scared of reach out to you. Yeah, they are be little bit of scared, and they maybe feel a little bit of scared on the past, but right now they don't know, like if at all they may be in this kind of a mindset that will definitely harm them. So I hope so this person will try to speak out now, because nothing else matter but you. So they know that about your value, they know they just understand about your value in their life. So that's the reason this person will try to communicate with you, and they having this hope that they haven't lost you. They are thinking that you may be wait for this person, you may be wait for their call or text messages, so they have that hope. And I think from the both the side there may be some kind of an waiting game is going on. Either you also waiting for this person call or text messages, or either they also waiting for your call or text messages. I can see both the side there is you strongly like mirroring each other. So overall I can conclude that there may be some kind of a strong chances for the communication, for the reconciliation, and as well as there is some kind of an energy also I can see from this person's side. They may be hold something from the so long time from you. They may be hide some kind of feelings to, from a so long time, but right now they want to be expose their feelings towards you. That's what I can see from this person, and they won't be in this energy anymore, because they are feeling some kind of a dark without you. So when I see this, I'm scared to reach out to you. This energy, I can clearly see that this person won't be in this energy anymore. Okay, they will try to communicate. So these are the energy I can see from your person. And for the water element like Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, if at all this reading resonated with you, if at all you like this reading, so please give a like, share and subscribe, and please give a valuable feedback, valuable comment. Okay, so guys, if at all you are looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to this family. And as well as if at all your friends may like the tarot readings, please do subscribe please share my videos to them, so that they can also subscribe my channel, and they can also have some kind of a guidance and clarity towards their life. So guys, please give your support, please give please subscribe my channel. And if at all you guys want any kind of a personal reading, you can book on my WhatsApp, or else you can reach out on my WhatsApp, and or else you can reach out on my Instagram. So both the detail have been given in the highlight comment, you can check with that. And next thing guys, like the way you are supporting on my YouTube channel, so please give your support on my Instagram channel as well. I have been mentioned my ID link in the highlight comment. So next thing guys, again and again I want to say you that like the way you are giving your please give your support, please give your support on my YouTube channel, and as well as please give your support on my Instagram channel as well, because your support is very important to grow this channel. And please stay tuned, because like in the future I will be update about the next actions of your person as well. So if at all you guys are seeing my channel for the very first time, welcome you all guys. Okay, see you, and stay tuned my dear water element like Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. See you guys next time. Under that, love you all, take care, bye bye.